Anne and a Cat. Hi friends! Today we will read an easy English story with Ukrainian translation. Let's learn English together. Anne wakes up early every morning. She makes a cup of coffee and sits by the window. It's her favorite time of the day, peaceful and quiet. Today, she starts reading a new book. It's about cats who go on adventures. One cat sails a boat, another climbs mountains. Anne gets ready for work. She puts on her coat and grabs her bag. The weather is sunny but a little cold. As she walks to the bus stop, she sees something strange. A cat in a red scarf is sitting on a bench. The cat looks at Anne and meows loudly. Then it runs down the street. Anne feels curious. She follows the cat for a minute. The cat stops in front of a small shop. There is a box with 3 books written on it. On top of the books is the same cat book Anne was reading. Anne picks up the book and smiles. The cat jumps onto the bench again, then disappears. What a strange and funny morning, Anne thinks. She takes the book with her and walks to work, still smiling. Thank you for watching, my friends. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed.